Amigos, we finally finished the camp and I swear it's the best it ever looked. So come with me to check it out.
Alright amigos, we have our first guest coming this week and we are finally finishing up the camp, but there's still so much work to do.
What's up the boys?
Arthur.
Very good.
Madge. Breakfast Queen Fraser.
Hello.
Alright, so we're just waiting for Jesse to come with his car and wait till you see this car because it's hilarious. And we're gonna pack this wood, bring it to camp, and we're gonna build some decks. The whip!
Look at the wheel, look at the wheel, look at the wheel.
Dude, the wheel's fully flat. Let's go!
This is so criminal, bro. Oh my god, man.
We're gonna pump up the tire real quick.
Get him in, get him in! Wait. Okay, Dave, go! How is more?
Why?
He got more? There's literally a massive ass hole in the tire right here.
It's the pressure.
Man, we always said that camp is good for everything. I like to fix a car wheel, bro.
Alright, should we try it?
What are you doing?
No. She's speaking, she's crying.
He's like, no more.
She heard us.
No. Ah, yeah, she's good again.
Oh, she's good,
I don't think this looks very good, bro. Check it out. Easy. That was easy to get some.
She made it. She's a beast. We ended up finishing the walkway to the yoga deck, all the decking around the bathrooms and showers, and we even added a new wetsuit washing station.
What's the password?
Maria is the best woman alive.
How's
you doing?
How's the deck going on, Bella?
It's decking.
So we're also building a deck in this corner behind the bathroom, so like the wetsuits and all the water can like drain through these pipes and not flood the camp.
What are we doing?
These are new additions to the camp and we're stoked on how it turned out. It's gonna be so much better for our guests. We also finally got our flower order and we got a lot of flowers, like so many we didn't even know what to do with them.
Bro, what am I doing? I swear.
Putting like literally 200 pots of plants, I think. Maybe more. I don't think we have enough pots. Can we stop for 1 second and you carry this and I take the camera?
And then we received a whole order of IKEA furniture. And we all know how that is putting those things together.
IKEA mean those friends. Yeah! I'm gonna buy money. I know!
With the new furniture, we fully decorated the tents and we make them as comfortable as we can for our guests. Guests have a real bed, plenty of room to stand, and we even added decorations to make it feel more homey. Now that those things are done, it was time to fine-tune the camp. That means cleaning, painting, fixing every little detail until the camp is perfect. And I'm pretty sure we did it. When we first arrived, there was literally nothing but open space and overgrown grass. We built it from the ground up, piece by piece, and each day, it started to become more alive. This place is literally more than a surf camp to many of us. It's also our home. Build up every year is hard work, but we all love it. Building a place together is truly something special, and it's amazing to see the progress. We're super excited for you guys' experiences this magical place this year. And next video, we are gonna do a full camp tour, so stay tuned. Love you, legends. Peace.
What are you doing in my property? Esto es mi barrio.